Hi guys! Today we're going to be talking about how to multiply two-digit numbers by one digit. Okay, so the first thing I want to draw your attention to are these steps right here. We are going to be using these steps to help us solve a problem. Okay, so when we're talking about two-digit by one digit, if you watch the video, you kind of know exactly what I'm talking about. But just to review, if I were to multiply, let's say 23, that's a sad looking 3, times 7. Okay, so I know you guys already know how to multiply. Well, that was supposed to be a 7, so let's erase that, shall we? That looks more like a T. I know you guys know how to multiply 7 times 3, which equals, 21. And I know you guys know how to multiply 7 times 20. You guys remember our core problems. When we multiply, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the 7 and multiply it by the 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. And then how many zeros do we have here? We have 1 0. So we're going to add there like that. Okay. And what we're going to do is when we do this process, we're going to combine these two steps here. Okay, what is she talking about? All right, so again, what we're going to do is we're going to take 23 and we're going to break it down into place values. So this is actually a value of 20 and this is a value of 3. Okay, and our other factor, the 7, it's going to stay exactly the same. That is our other factor. We're not going to touch it. We're not going to split it. We'll eventually get there. Not today. Okay, so once you've got your two-digit number broken down into your place value, we're going to do step 2, which is draw and fill in the boxes. Okay, so you're going to draw a box like this, and we're going to split it like this. Okay, we're going to put 7 on the outside of the box, and we're going to put the 20 over the top of the first box. That's our tens place. And we're going to put the 3 over here. And this would be our ones place. And now we can go ahead and multiply. So 7 times 2, we're doing our core problem again. 7 times 2 is 14. And then how many zeros do we have here? We have 1. And then 7 times 3, which is 21. And these are our products. Okay, so we did our place value. We drew our boxes. We filled them in. And we went ahead and multiplied. We multiplied the 7 times the 20. Then we multiplied the 7 times the 3. And these are our products. Both of these guys. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add up these products. So I'm going to be adding 140 plus 21 okay, 0 plus 1 is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So our problem is 20, sorry about that. It's been happening to me a lot. Sorry guys. It'll bring the board back. There it is. 23 times 7 equals 161. Okay? All right, so again, we're going to do our place value, draw and fill in the boxes, multiply, and then add up the products. Okay, so let me give you another problem to work on here. And I realized I just erased my steps, so I'll type them up again. Okay. Here we go. we are multiplying two-digit numbers by one digit. We're going to use place value. We are going to not put in a W, draw and fill in the boxes. We are going to do the actual multiplying, and then we're going to add up our products. Okay? Okay, so let's do another problem. Let's do 57 times 5. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our place value. So 57 breaks down into, sorry guys. Okay, so this is 50, and this is 7. And remember, we're going to leave this factor alone. We're not splitting it up. We're not doing anything with that. Okay, so we use place value. Now we're going to draw in our boxes. Okay, it's a very small box for your 10s, a very large box for your 1s, but that's okay. I'm going to put this 7 on the outside over here. And I'm going to put 50. That's supposed to be a 50, folks. Over in the tens place, and 7 in the ones place. Okay, so remember our core problem when we're multiplying here. We've got 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. But we also can't forget our zeros, just like when we multiplied by 10. Count the number of zeros. We've got 1 0 there, so we're going to plunk that there. And then we multiplied these two, and now we're going to multiply these two. So we've got 7 times 7, which is 49. It's kind of a sad looking 9, but you guys get the idea. Okay, so we did place value. We drew and fill in our boxes. We multiplied. Now it's time to add up our products. When we talk about the products, we're talking about the answers we got here when we multiplied. So we're going to take a very sad 350, kind of cryptic, plus, and the trick here is going to be to make sure that you line up your numbers correctly. So my 9 is in the ones place, so I'm going to put it right under the 0 that's in the ones place in 350. And my 4 is in the tens place, so I'm going to put it right under the 5 that's in the tens place. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add it up. 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus nothing is 3. So we can say our answer of 57 times 5 equals, oh, it did it to me again just as I was finishing up. I am so sorry. Here we go. Equals 399. Okay, so that's the lesson for today. I'm going to go ahead and assign you some problems. Hopefully this all makes sense, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.